Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from SimmonsEssentials. I want to bring you another original design. This is the Tannenbaum knot. Let's go ahead and get started. This is my left side. It's going to be at the belt line as usual. Come over here, put a dimple in, bring it over to the center, come up and over like this, come down and around like this, and then we're going to come through this right here, like this. Then I'm going to open up this loop and put it through here like this. Alright, so we have this so far. It will, if it folds it, great. If not, then just put a little, fold it in half and do that, because I actually like that. Right there. Your tie may naturally do that. If not, just put a little quick fold in there. Right here. It'll do it pretty simple. So then what we're going to do is we're going to come around like this, and we're going to come over like that. And then I'm going to bring it around like this, and then I'm going to come around like that. So we have that going on. Then I'm going to fold it in like this. And the goal for that is to just slide it up, and whatever you have, whatever is shown, but we want to slide it up and make it secure. So there we have that. So there's the Tannenbaum. I'll go ahead and put my collar down. Again, follow me on Instagram at SimmonsEssentials for more tie knot patterns and designs. So again, oh no, it's all my friends, you're fearfully wonderfully made. See you in the next video.